Okay, now part 2, competition validation. Okay, how to validate competition. For example, let's take this as an example. For example, this page is running as for one product. For this product, is all this video is the same product. If you click to the link, you will find this, and this is the link of product. Okay, this is the link of product. This is the link product, and this is the store. How to validate competition? We want to validate by title. Okay, this is the title of product. We want to copy it. Wait, sometime you can't. Wait, there is. If you not can't copy it, just type like, for example, like this. Just type it here and go to eBay, search, and paste it here, for example, and see what is the result. Okay, competition validation. No exact match found. That means good. Good. Like this. No exact matches found. This title. We copy it from here and paste it on eBay.com, and we found no exact match. That means good. Okay, let's take another example. For example, we have this guy here is running ads for this watch. All this video is for one watch. And if you click for this link, you will find this. And we want to valid competition also here. We will copy this title, and we want to paste it here to see if there is someone using the same title or not. Okay, we found someone here using the same title. Control F, Control V. Okay, we have some guys here using the same title, and we is selling the same product. Okay, here we have competition. What you will ask yourself? Competition, yes. Can you be cheaper on price? At least $1. At least $1. If yes, good. If not, just move on to another product. Where is the cheapest one here using the same title? The same title. I don't care. You have to be the same title. For example, here, guys. This is the same title. 46, 45. 44. I think this is the list. Okay, we have another one here. I think this is the cheapest one. If you can compete on these guys, for example, at least you have to be under them on price $1 at least, and still make profit $10 above is good. If not, just avoid it. For example, this, you have to go to AliExpress and see the price of product. If you can be cheaper than this guy and still make profit $10 is good. If not, just move on. Okay, this is a second situation. Wait. And we have another thing here. If you find, for example, a lot of competition, you copy title. For example, I have an example here. I found some guys here is selling this product, and when I click shop now, I found this is the store. Okay, and this is the title. Copy it to check competition and paste here. For example, this guy is selling this product. Look how many results, a lot of results. And when you use Control F, Control V on on this title here. Look how many one use this. 31 using the same title, and that means there's a and same product selling the same product. That means you can't compete with these guys because he has better price and a lot of competition. If you find like this a lot of competition with same product, just avoid it. Okay, we have another probability here. For example, if you find competition, yes, you have competition, but no one selling same products you want to sell with same title. That means it's good. You can sell it. This is no. This is you can. This is yes, good. This is you have to ask yourself if you can be better on price. A lot of competition, no, just avoid it. Competition, yes, but no one selling same product with same title is good. For example, like this one. Let's take example. Imagine these guys, he don't have this. He have just this on title, okay? Imagine you have this on title and you want to check competition. You will go, for example, to eBay and you will paste it here and search for it. And you want to see if there is someone using the same title. How? You will just put Control F, Control V, and you will find you have here title. This is title. We copy it and paste it here. And there is no one selling the same title, using the same title. This is one. No one using the same title. Okay? Yeah, but here just no one selling the same title and no one selling the same product. Look, this product we want here. No one selling it on this. Look, this guys is not the same shape. Okay? There's not just concentrate about this first. No one selling the same. No one using the same title. That means it's good, and you can go for it.